Once upon a time, a colorful adventure awaits on YouTube Kids. Join us as we craft magic from recycled treasures. Let's spark creativity and save the planet together. Discover how old becomes new in our eco-friendly crafting journey. From old jars to radiant lanterns, get ready for a fun-filled DIY experience where every creation tells a tale of recycling wonder. Imagine turning cardboard into art masterpieces. Join us on an eco-friendly voyage where creativity meets sustainability. Transforming trash into treasure has never been more enchanting. Step into a world of possibility where recycled materials shine. Ready for a blast of fun and eco-magic? Dive into our recycled crafting adventure and witness the wonders of upcycling. Crafting joy from recycled materials is our mission. Explore the endless possibilities of creating art while helping the environment. Join the colorful quest to craft with heart and soul. Discover the beauty of recycling through our creative DIY projects. Unleash your imagination in a world of recycled wonders. Together, let's paint the future green with our eco-friendly crafting ideas. Old things become new treasures in our crafting kingdom. Dive into the magic of upcycling and join us on this eco-adventure. Embark on a journey of creativity and sustainability. Let's weave dreams with recycled threads in our crafting escapade. Witness the transformation from waste to wonder. Explore the art of upcycling with us and create something truly special. Join us in the realm of eco-creativity where every recycled material holds a story waiting to be told. From trash to triumph, our crafting quest begins. Experience the joy of making beautiful creations using only recycled materials. Discover the magic of turning old into gold with our recycling crafting extravaganza on YouTube Kids. Let's embark on a colorful journey where creativity meets conservation. Dive into our recycled crafting world today. End of the video.